So before this video starts, I wanted to show you my friend Josh. He's my co-worker, and he got some vegetable oil, and he's gonna do what they call in many countries, they call it hot suppers, or doing a shitty, or if you're in Australia, doing some skids. So Josh, let's see how you apply this stuff.
Oh, Peter, I mean, I've never had to do this, but I guess we can try.
Yeah, he's been doing it for years.
Oh, I guess years now. Okay. That's gonna be fucking messy.
Like I said, this is vegetable oil, so it's okay. It's okay to put there. This is probably the best vegetable oil that you can put.
It's synthetic too, man.
Synthetic veggie oil. Perfect. And I'm not sponsored by Slim Fast or anything like that, but I'm gonna have my Slim Fast right now. Should be good. And that's good for 4 hours without eating. Let's see you do this, Josh. Just pull up a little bit. Yep, you're good. Let's do it. Yeah, you can see how it's getting right in there. There we go. And wow, I can't see anything. So the aftermath of this is great. And you can see the vegetable oil, it worked wonders. And it left a nice big smoke trail. That's awesome. So guys, let's ask Josh what he thinks and get back to that video.
How was that one, Peter?
That was really good, Josh. What does it smell like inside your car?
Cupcakes, man.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm Pete Bennett, and you're watching Big Bennett TV. What's up, guys? We're back, and today we're working on Mazda tree. So it's got a little bit of some damage here on a bumper. The fender is completely damaged. I can't even open my door without it hitting stuff. So we're gonna, and also my bug deflector is broken. So I don't know if I'm gonna take that off or what. I'm gonna evaluate the damage and I'm gonna replace what needs to be replaced. Let's dig right into it. First thing I'm gonna do, open up this hood and see what's going on. As I can see, it looks like someone taped this up. I picked this up damaged. So I gotta get all this tape off. It appears that this light isn't even on there. I'm gonna get some tools and we'll take it all apart. So I got my Milwaukee tool, not sponsored in part by Milwaukee, it's just what I have for home use. Come over, check this out, and we're gonna start taking stuff apart. So we're just gonna get right into it. These are 10mm bolts. We're taking them off because, well, quite frankly, we don't need junk. So I'm just gonna put all the stuff right under the hood here. It looks like there's some bolts here. Yeah, there's one sneaked up right here. So I'm putting a gun in, taking it off. Boom. And apart from what I heard on the story, what this is that the guy that I bought this off, wow, it's making noise. There's a 10mm bolt right here. We take that off. And I mean, we're just making quick work of this. It's gonna come right off. Real easy, real subtle, with no headaches, I hope. And there's a plug in here. We're just gonna squeeze, pinch, pull it off. And it looks like there's a bunch of tabs that we need to take off. But maybe we can probably take this light out that's held in there by tape. Nothing other than tape on everything. There's tape on the plugs. There's tape on... Are you seeing this? Come take a look at all this stuff. There's just... The only thing that was holding this light in was wires. So that we're gonna get a new one of that. Blah blah blah. If you guys see here, you can actually see some hair from the animal that hit this vehicle, which I believe was a deer. Ugh. I don't know if that's gonna come out, because we don't want to, we don't want to have to buy a new bumper.
What if you hammer it?
We want to just, and look at that, guys. The hair is like still in the paint, but the crack and all that's gone for the most part. So that was good. I don't know why it doesn't look good. That looks terrible. I want to fix that. I don't want to replace the bumper. I just want to put the bumper back so that if I put the light on and stuff, oh, that's nice. Put the light on and stuff and it works. But from the looks of it, it looks like this might have got bent. But I'm not 100% sure. I think what I'm gonna have to do now, jack up the side, pull that skirt off, pull the fender off, and then get to work. So I'm gonna jack this up real quick. I'll see you in 1 second. All right, so I jacked it up right on the floor because I jacked it up on the floor because I'm probably gonna have to take this skirt off, this part of the fender here. I got this tool that I got in a windshield removal kit, and so I think this will be good to take off like plastic clips and stuff. Let's dig right into it. Oh, great. And I got this like pistol tool that I've never seen before. I'll see if it works good, and I'll give you guys a feedback on it, but I can tell you right away that we're gonna have to turn the wheel because I can't access anything. Now you gotta remember, all the weight is on the other side of the vehicle, so when I jacked it up, that was some risky business. This is really dangerous business here. Now, I hope this stuff works. If it doesn't, that's okay too. You always gotta have the right tools. So, go out and pick up like one of these. I think it's good. Oh, there's like clips and stuff, and oh man. There's like, I don't know. I think it's like double-sided tape or something. Ow! Oh! Ow. Look at that. I just cut myself. So that was silly. Don't, next time that you guys do this, make sure you're wearing like gloves or, well, just gloves, because that's all you need. Well, keep all your clips, because you're gonna have to put some or most of them back in. I think, guys, now that I got most of this crap off, this rocker panel is rotten. So I just gotta take off this one clip and there. So that's off, and hopefully all this other stuff comes off. Wow. I didn't expect any of that to happen, but we got this off. And as you can see, they undercoated the inside. So I'm gonna put this on the side of the house because nobody wants to buy that. Unless you want to buy that, then I'll sell it to you. And looking at everything else, it all looks good to go. Apart from this giant piece of rust that caught me. I'm gonna just take the sharp edge off and it should be good. And then we're gonna put a light on, and we're also gonna put on a fender. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go down to the junkyard and I'm gonna get those parts. So I just got back from the junkyard. I ended up getting a junkyard light from the junkyard. So that's pretty neat. It came with this random plug that, yeah, this plug that's not factory, but I know that this is a junkyard part from a junkyard because it's got junkyard writing on. Also, I got this fender. I was able to get this. This is the same color match that I need. And it's even got this plug on there that I take off, throw in the trash, and we're gonna put it back on. But the first thing we're gonna wanna put back on is the light, because that's the hardest one to do, is the light. Whoa, don't wanna scratch my new fender. That would not be good. And I think I got the plug. So that's awesome. Maybe, yeah. So that's awesome. I got the plug for this because the plug was bad. Cut it. So now I'm just taking this off. And then I'm just gonna plug this in. So that's good. Got a free plug. Well, I don't know how free it is. This is just a bunch of jalopy, if you ask me. So I'm gonna just take this off because I don't know what the heck's going on here. And it appears that somebody, I don't know what somebody did, but it looks like they put their own bulb in. So I'm just gonna keep it like that because if it worked for them, it'll work for me. So that's some custom wiring and custom sealant crap. And actually, guys, I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna use OEM because it already looks like it's shorting out. So let me show you this. This is just rubber. So whoever made this made it for a temporary fix because it's already heating up. And rubber, that's why I'm not reusing it. I'm gonna put this right in the trash. And now, gonna reuse this one. That looks a lot better. It looks something like this. Just like that. And the filament on this is broken, so I'm gonna go back to the trash and grab the bulb, because this bulb is good. Now, that goes in there for good. This, I don't know, nah, I'm not gonna waste my time trying to show you this on camera, because it's not gonna work. But you can see, to the naked eye, you can see that the filament for that bulb is broken. So now, this is the easy fun part. We just put it in here. Make sure you put that tab in, because if you don't put that tab in, your lights will never work. So now that the light's in there, so it looks like this, it's not going anywhere, so you leave it like that. Now, we can just put this back in. Just put all these plugs to the bulbs, take these corroded connectors and plug those in as well. I mean, you can see the corrosion right here, but we're not gonna make everything right on this. We're just trying to, realistically, we're trying to get rid of the damage. So, we can go down, if we have light issues down the road, fix those then. But now, just put this in. Yeah, maybe that wasn't a good idea, is to put all those, put the bulbs in right away, but the fact that, wow, oh, man. There we go. It's looking better already. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's looking freaking better already. Hopefully once the fender's on, it'll probably just stay in place with a little bit of clear tape. It's always easy. It's always easier coming off than going on, because when it goes on, you kinda gotta. Ooh, I almost dented my new fender. Oh. We gotta line that up. So pretty much going on, you gotta take a little bit more care putting it on than taking it off. And this kind of looks like, wow, looks good. I'm putting these 10mm bolts up, and I'm just treading them in by hand. You gotta tread them in by hand. And then give it a little bit of razzle dazzle. Not too much, because we might have to retake these off. This is just to hold it in place. Make sure you always put this piece of weather stripping back, because if you don't, nothing will happen. But yeah, nothing will happen. Just make sure you put it back though. And then this hidden one here, this is the scary one. It's already trying to cause me issues by getting stuck underneath this cowling. So make sure you put this on, push it in, push that in a bit, and then just tread it in there. Couple treads, and then put it on. Cross tread it if you need to, but long as it's treaded, it's good. This is like the make or break it. You gotta always make sure that you put these on, because if you don't, but look at this, guys. This can be fixed with a little bit of this tool. It's a multi-purpose tool. It's good for rust repair like this, and repairing the rust by removing it. And then, see these clips here? Probably not, but the rocker panel's shot. So, all we're gonna have to do is somehow, oh man, somehow put this here, and then remove these clips, I guess. Yeah, remove these clips, guys. Just like this. I mean, you could use them down the road, but I'm not going to. That's good now. Ow. That's good now. I'm probably gonna put a, press it here, put a screw, a self-tapping screw right here, and we're gonna call it a day with that one. And then the door opens up really good. Took this right here and I zip tied it because I couldn't work with it because it was all bunched up. And then right here, I zip tied that as well because if you look, broken screw. They even broke the screw here for that headlight. That's not even the same headlight, but that's broken. So I don't really got the time to drill out and tap and all that stuff, new holes. So that's tight enough. I mean, oh yeah, and this right here. So pretty much all the clips in here were broken. So I put that, and then up in here, I just put a little zip tie, so that's nice and sturdy. I'm gonna paint that with some red. This, I'm gonna put that screw in there. It looks pretty good. I mean, it looks better than rust. I forgot to show you guys the interior on this. That's not mold. Oh, my dad must have been cutting wood or something in here, and it's all over my freaking car. That's nice of him, because you can see it's out here too. And the screws in, nice and tight. Fender's on. So move this out of the way. Now, wow, yeah, that bug deflector definitely needs to come off. And this, that's got to be fixed too. So I'm gonna tackle that. I'm gonna bring the car down and we're gonna tackle that then, or buckle, or buckle, or whatever you want to call it. So I think the first thing we should do is remove that bug deflector. I think it's just on here, yeah, just on here with some screws. Yeah, just taking off, wow. That wasn't on there good at all. Huh, so I thought I was gonna have to like heat this stuff up, and we're pretty much done with the bug deflector. Make sure you get in here with your Phillips head screwdriver and just lift that peeling, and then grab your pliers and boom, comes right off. Right off. So I'm pretty much putting my pliers here with this rag and trying to bend it out. Like, I don't really know much about like fixing buckles, but look at that. Wow. I'm gonna try and hit it with my rubber mallet. Yeah, it fixed it good enough so that you can bend this little piece there. And then, just the moment of truth, guys, we're gonna see if all this hard work finally paid off. And it looks like this is a little raised. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hammer it in the rubber mallet and with the rag so that we don't have like too much transfer. Oh yeah. That looks good. Now all I'm gonna do wow, that looks really good, guys. To make this look even better, is mask it off with a rag, just like so. Give it a quick shot of the old rust protector. Look at that. Just check this out. All this hard work completely fixed, and it looks way better than it did before. And now I'm even gonna be able to open my door. Boom. Problem solved. That's what you do when you have your car looking like it did before. Now this ain't pretty. This is gonna be super functional, and it's gonna be a great winter warrior. Thank you guys so much for watching. Every video, once a week. That's it. We'll see you in the next one. Comment down below what you want to see. See you later. Peace.